YouTube. This is going to be a quick video for how to cut text out of an image. I'm doing this, so we're going to select text. I'll do be right back, and I'm going to do that for my Twitch stream. I want to have a be right back screen, but actually I want the screen to be dark. So we're going to switch over, unlock this layer, hit the paint bucket tool, click this, and I will go back to white text because it's easier to see. So we'll go to be right back, make this much larger. Much larger. We're going to go that large. Be right back. Drag it to the center. Perfect. And then from here, you hold Control, click this T right here for the text. It selects the text. We can make that invisible. Hit delete. No, you have to select this layer. Hit delete. And there we go. Now I can save the image as a PNG, put this into OBS, and I have a screen which will show the screen through the image, through the be right back. But it'll have most of this be this dark background color. Quick video. Thanks for watching.